can you talk about like some common mistakes that you see growing law firms make when it comes to hiring, and what people should be looking for when it comes to hiring?
Yeah, how much time do we have?
Ha.
And we cover a lot of this in the book, and one of the things we'll probably come back to over and over again is that hiring is just the start of bringing on a successful employee. In fact, the real work really starts when they say yes and come on board. But we'll talk about that in a moment. So some of the key issues that I find key mistakes they make is they hire too late. Number one. So because they want to save on on expenses, they wait until they're totally jammed with business, until they can't take another client, until they're turning clients away, and then they think about hiring somebody. And that creates some problems. Number one, they're so busy, they don't have time to conduct the search and to do it properly. Number two, they are in a hurry. They're desperate to find someone to bring on board. So they're likely to make a poor decision, right? It increases the chances of that happening. And then number three, if the person does come on board, they still have to train them and onboard them. And oftentimes that falls by the wayside because they're just so happy to have someone on board. They'd immediately shove workload their way, and then they're upset when the workload isn't done to the quality and the format that they expect. So those are probably the top three issues that I find that attorneys run into when they're looking to hire somebody.